In the age of smart logistics, drone delivery is no longer science fiction, it's reality. But training drone pilots for logistics delivery comes with risks. The Logistics Training Module of Srizfly.DroneSimulator brings powerful simulation to your fingertips. The UTS certified simulation replicates all critical steps from loading to unloading. Choose your path-guided training or formal assessment. Smart cues, detailed feedback. Every move you make is tracked and scored. Train virtually. Deliver flawlessly.